Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to write spoilers on Discord, also known as hidden text and blacked out text. So in order to do that, there are two ways to do so. The first one is really simple. All you need to do is use the spoiler command, so use /spoiler and then press space in order to see the message box. After that, type your message. So I'm gonna type my message as an example, and after that you can press enter in order to send it. And as you can see, there is this black rectangle. If you click on it, you will open the message for yourself. Now, the other option to do so is you can use this symbol over here. So use it twice before your text, then type your text, and after your message, use the same symbol twice again, and then press enter in order to hide it, like so. And of course, you can hide only part of your sentence. So for instance, I'm gonna type three letters over here. Oh, it's actually 4, but never mind. And let's say I want to hide this part over here. So what can I do is select over here, start from here, and type these two symbols once again, and at the end over here as well. And then I'm gonna press enter, and as you can see, only part of it is hidden. Even if I select it, then it's still hidden. Only after I click, I can see what's hidden behind the black rectangle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.